The lever release spring is part of your bandsaw's bumper assembly. The spring applies tension to the bumper release lever, so it stays locked in place. Over time, the spring can wear out, causing the bumper to slip. If the lever comes loose from the saw, the spring can be lost. Replacing the lever release spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear guard. With the guard removed, I have access to both of the screws on the rear roller. I'll remove it next. And with the roller removed, now I can remove the bumper. The button is secured to the bumper with a roll pin. I'll place the bumper over the jaws on my vise. The jaws are slightly open to allow the roll pin to pass through. I'll use a punch to remove the pin. With the pin removed, now I can remove the button and the spring. Now I can install the new spring. The spring fits over the post inside the bumper. Now I'll reinstall the button. I slide the button through the bumper housing and align it with the spring. Now I'll align the hole in the bumper with the hole in the lever so I can reinstall the roll pin. And I'll tap the roll pin into place. Now I can reinstall the bumper. I'll press the button on the bumper and align it with the T-block. Then I just slide it back into place. Now I'll reinstall the rear roller. There's a pin on the back of the roller assembly that will align it with the housing. Once it's aligned, I'll reinstall the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear guard. And that's all it takes to replace the lever release spring in your portable bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.